Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a kawaii dinosaur. So let's get started. First of all, we'll draw an inverted C. C like shape. This is our inverted C. Now extend it a little more and draw the body like this. Okay, now start drawing the feet. And this is the body of our dinosaur. Draw the another feet. Draw one hand and another. Draw the eye. Now draw the cap to add some cuteness. Okay, so our cute kawaii dinosaur drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. So friends, our cute kawaii dinosaur drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.